Vlogmas is finally here. Let's do it. Let's do it, y'all. What's up, y'all? We back again for another video. So this is a mukbang, so stay tuned for it. Stop. So what's up, y'all? We back again. I got say
Brianna.
Brianna, we're gonna do a mukbang. So we got what we got? Let's see. We got cheese. This is Brianna's favorite because I don't eat cheese. It's pepperoni. So, here you go. Go ahead. No, just get your slice out. Throw your piece out. Don't mind the background noise. It's just a sister. Yeah. Oh. No, I don't eat meat, so that's what we do. Oh, right there. So what you drinking?
Water.
She got water. I got some kind of sparkling. Something I don't know. So get that in there. So yeah. Yeah. How was your Christmas?
It was good.
What you did?
I got AirPods. I got a phone. I got a onesie and a whole bunch of other stuff.
I didn't get none of that stuff, so I'll just tell you that now. I did not get that much stuff. Let's see. Look up some questions. So hope y'all like, commenting, and subscribing. I know she's looking. You gotta eat too while you talk. So. But yeah. So what you been doing all day?
Nothing.
Why not? It's almost end day.
No.
And you ain't been doing anything.
There's nothing to do.
Like what?
Nothing to do here.
Why not?
Because there's really nothing to do.
It's not nothing to do. You don't know? Why you don't know? Okay. The first question is, have you ever met somebody famous?
No.
Yes, you have.
Who?
I don't know, but it was somebody. Don't let this girl fool you. She's not quiet at all. I met a couple people, famous people.
I've never met one.
I just think somebody came to your school one time.
No, that was nobody famous. That
Just
was just the lady from the school.
I thought it was somebody. Skedaddle. Okay. Next one is, would you like to be famous? Why?
I don't know why. I just like to be famous.
You gotta know why. You can't just say, oh, cool, but you gotta know. If you could live anywhere, where would that be?
Probably in Hawaii.
That's a good place. Why Hawaii, though?
Because it sounds like a nice place to live.
But you know, you get stuck. You can only get there by boat. Did you know that? Yeah, there's just a whole island, so you just get on the boat. And you get
I can't do boat.
I think it's like a little small boat. Why not? Why you can't do the boat?
Because you don't know what type of weather it's going to be that day.
I know. But you said Hawaii though.
Yeah, I'm talking about like the waves in the water.
The waves in the water?
Mm-hmm.
Comment down below. Where would y'all live at? 'Cause she said Hawaii. I'm gonna say probably LA or something.
Or Paris. I was Paris.
So you wanna live international. That's international. You don't wanna live in the United States. Is what you're saying. You want another slice? So you wanna live overseas somewhere. That's what you're saying. Cause you said Paris. What's so fascinating about Paris?
I don't know. It's so. I just want to go see the Eiffel Tower.
The who?
The Eiffel Tower.
Oh, okay, this is the next one. Don't mind me if I'm looking off because people distracting me in the background. How many pairs of shoes do you have? You don't know.
It's not that much.
It's not that much. You got more than 5, 10, 20.
No. Not more than 10. Probably I'm gonna say like 5.
I thought you had more than that.
No.
I got about, I don't know, probably like 100. That's old. Then I got the rest of them, like, you know, that's in a box. Do you like TV talent shows?
TV talent shows?
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean?
Like American Idol and stuff like that?
Mm-hmm.
Or The Voice?
Mm-hmm.
I look at it, but it gets played out after a while for me. Cause it be the same people. Ooh, baby, I wanna be with you. It's the same one all the time. What's your favorite holiday? Okay, beach, mountain, or city? So you gotta name a beach.
A beach. It's Florida Beach?
So Miami, or you talking like Cocoa Beach?
Cocoa.
Okay. I would say Venice Beach. City, Santa Monica. Okay, this one. Do you like scary movies?
No.
Really?
No.
I watch it. Depends on what
I'm
it is.
scared of all scary movies.
We watched that one scary movie that one time, and you was like, you wasn't, you know.
What?
I forgot what it was called. I think it was on Tubi.
I was sleeping.
No, we was looking at it for something.
I was looking at it and then I fell asleep.
Have you ever cried at a film?
Mm-hmm.
What was it?
It's like every time, like if a character dies in a movie, I'm gonna start crying.
No, what movie was it that you watched?
I say Up.
Like you cried it Up.
And a whole lot of other movies too.
A lot of other stuff, I watched Love and Basketball. I don't think she's seen that, or she old enough to know what that is, but
Nope.
that's a good movie. We have to watch that one there. Okay, what is your favorite restaurant?
Can I name 2?
Go ahead.
Cheddar's and let me see. Chick-fil-A.
Okay. I used to like Ponderosa and Chili's, but it's more like, I like Cheddar's more, but We ain't had Cheddars in so long because we used to go all the time. Drop in the comments what's y'all favorite restaurant to go to. What's your favorite video game to play?
Probably 2K. 2K20.
Oh, that's a good one.
Or the 21.
I don't know which one it is.
It's the 21 because we already played the 20 last year.
I don't know. Probably say I like Sonic. So anything Sonic. Let's see. If you won $1,000, what would you spend it on?
$1,000.
Mm-hmm.
Probably get me some clothes. I need some clothes.
Mm-hmm.
And probably have some pants.
Mm-hmm.
And the rest I just saved.
You buy some clothes and some pants.
And,
wow.
And some shoes.
And some shoes. See? I know she probably won't. She probably buy like a whole bunch of stuff. You got a basket full of candy. That's what I think she would.
Yeah. That's not me. Wait.
Basket full of candy. You can't even see. Sister keep trying to get me a video. I gotta pay some kind of bills with my $1,000. I gotta pay bills. You know what bills are, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, you ready to start paying bills? Why not? You like expensive things.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you
Not
got,
that much.
You got expensive taste. You got expensive taste. They're like, this my broke best friend right here. She got expensive taste. She like to buy the high-end stuff. So, oh yeah. But either way, why wouldn't you just save some of it though? Like half of it.
I just said I was gonna save from
I'm talking about like, or you could just save the whole thing.
No, you got half.
I mean, $1,000 is not a lot of money. It's not.
I can go to the dollar store.
Yeah, you could do that. You could do that, but I'm just saying, $1,000 is not a lot of money.
Probably buy me a house.
You can't do that with $1,000. No.
You can buy a house for $0 too.
I mean, you could buy a house for that much money, but it costs more because you have to pay the tax. You have to pay the closing fees. There's a lot of stuff when you buy a house. You can't just be like, oh, here's $1,000. Here where my house at? Can't do that. Okay. Okay. So where that's at? Okay. Okay, this is a good one. What is your favorite thing about your siblings?
Which one? My
I don't
mom's
think-
side or my dad's side?
It's the same thing. It's all the same. You pick one.
She's little.
Is that it? She little. We know that. She's midget, like.
That's it. I can't have
Yeah,
the
yeah,
word she's annoying. That's probably a bad thing.
Well, it used to be the same way. You was little.
Not that much.
Oh, you used to cry all the time. You used to cry all the time. They'd be like, oh, put her back in the room. Leave her alone. Okay. So this one says, which one between us is the laziest?
Me.
She didn't even start to say, me please for $5,000. Do you like cats or dogs?
I'm scared of dogs.
I don't like neither. Neither. Okay, it said, who's the best dancer? I don't know. I don't dance. I don't dance, but you know I do.
I don't dance at all.
That's a lie.
When do you see me dance?
You won that dance thing at my uncle's party that time.
Yeah, I was little.
That was like 4 years ago.
4 years?
Still count. It still count.
I didn't win.
You
It
won.
was that other girl that won.
Yeah,
I
it
was in
was-
second place.
It was you, because they was like, I ain't never seen her dance like this. My mom was like, okay. Next one is summer or winter?
Summer.
Why?
For my birthday.
It's your birthday.
Mm-hmm.
Girl. Whatever.
And in winter, you gonna freeze a lot
I mean-
sometimes. It depends what's the weather that day.
You used to live in Florida, so, I mean, it really don't matter at this point. It's the same thing. Except for the snow. Except for the snow. Up. No. No. Okay. Okay, who takes more selfies? Probably you.
No.
Yes, you.
I don't
No.
have enough selfies in my phone.
Go on. Nope.
I
It's
don't-
you.
I only have like 5. And 2 of them are me. The rest is my sister and my cousin.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. 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 Who's a big foodie? That's probably me. You know what a foodie is, right?
No.
Person that, you know, like tries different types of food. I mean, go to different restaurants. That's a foodie.
I'm not. I stick to the same thing. I'll try it just a little bit and probably spit it out.
Okay. What is your greatest fear? There you go.
I have a lot of fears.
I don't like heights. So that's about it for me. I don't like heights.
I'm scared of probably snakes and things.
You know, snakes and things. Okay. What is under your bed?
You can ask that question.
What is under your bed? That's a good question, but y'all, she's not gonna answer it.
I'm not.
She's really not gonna answer. What's under your bed? She's like, I don't know. Clothes, shoes, people, I don't know. Okay, you got short hair or long hair?
What type of hair I have?
Short hair, no, which one you like? Short hair or long hair?
Short hair?
I like long hair.
Because long hair is gonna get in your eyes and your food and stuff.
I mean, yeah, but you just gotta tie it, if you don't tie it up.
But still gonna get in your food.
Yeah, okay. Okay, next one, this ain't about me, this about it. What's in your purse?
Nothing.
You ain't got nothing in your purse. You ain't got no
No.
lip gloss,
No.
nothing?
No.
It's terrible, y'all. She got to get it together. Got to get it together. Okay. Can you swim?
No.
I'm just say no. I'm gonna say just no. See that a lot. Okay. What was your most embarrassing moment at school? That's a good one. That's a good one.
Oh, when this girl was trying to take out my hair, and everybody, it was like 6th grade and 5th grade was upstairs. So when my hair was taken down, and I was so embarrassed.
You took your hair down.
Yeah.
Why? Why you?
Because
looking
my
like
hair
this?
was messed up.
It was messed up.
Yeah.
So what?
And they tried to fix it.
Oh, see.
And it looked crazy.
It was everywhere. String beans.
It was crazy.
Okay.
And I was crying. And I had to pretend like I was sick.
That's terrible. I had plenty of them moments. My mother came up to the school one time. This girl slapped me so hard, she knocked me out. So they called my mom. She said, "You need to wake up. Wake up." And it was knocked out. She was knocked out on the floor. This other time I got in trouble at school because they said I set the classroom on fire. But no, I didn't do that. It was somebody else. They put that tissue paper in their socket. And then it's just crazy. Okay. Are you afraid of small spaces?
Like corners?
Yeah, like if you're in the elevator and all that stuff. Or you're in like a small room and you just like it. Look, you just like this and you balled up. Claustrophobic, just a little bit. Just a tad bit. Let's see. Can you whistle?
No.
You can't.
No. No. I used to.
Okay. What's your favorite TV show?
It's the show on Netflix.
What's it called?
Haters Back Off.
Haters Back. Never heard of it. No, I like Martin. Everybody knows I like Martin.
Or I look at Sister Sister.
Oh, Sister. Alright. Next one, pizza or a burger? Which one?
Burger? No, pizza.
I'm gonna say pizza. You don't like, I'll just get down. Do you still watch cartoons?
Yes.
Yeah, look at them like every time, every once in a while.
No, it depends what it is. If it's like one of my favorite shows, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. If you won the lottery, what would you do?
Probably do something for my mama, like $1 or something.
She said $1. That's terrible, Brianna. Why would you give your mama $1?
Well, then when I see if it's real,
You know it's real once you read the ticket. She said I'll give her $1. Oh, that's crazy. One whole dollar. Wow. That's terrible. Let's see. How many pillows do you sleep with?
2.
Yeah.
No, 2 or 3.
That's too many. I got one pillow. Just a long pillow. Just lay on there.
No, I have a bed I lay on.
Okay.
I have a pillow, and I have a pillow I have to squeeze.
See, that one was too much. Too much. Can you impersonate somebody famous?
Name somebody famous?
No, somebody famous that you know. Can you impersonate them?
I don't know what that means.
Hercules. Who am I? Hercules.
I don't know.
Eddie Murphy.
No.
You can't impersonate nobody like Beyonce?
No.
That's terrible. That's terrible. Okay, how tall are you?
That probably 5. I don't know.
I'm gonna say I'm 6'2" and 1/2.
Because I was already on what's it?
Yeah, okay. What's your shoe size?
Probably 8.5.
That's a lie.
No, it is.
You are
Because
like a 9. That's a lie.
it's a 9.5.
That's a 9. You said an 8.
It's an 8 or a 9.
She got grown women feet.
No, I don't.
Grown women feet ain't this big. I was 13, but grown women feet ain't this big. She almost at a 12. Yeah, basketball. Basketball size. What's your favorite pizza topping?
Supreme.
That's not a topping. No, it's not. Like a pepperoni, sausage, bacon.
Mine is pepperoni.
Yeah, I just eat the cheese or I get the veggie. Okay, so I think we ran out of questions, so y'all leave us some more questions below that you want to ask us, or you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all that stuff. Links will be in the description. So, oh, let me get this camera. Let me see. You got any final words before we close this video out?
No. I don't know.
She don't know, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's another day of Vlogmas. So, y'all stay tuned. I'll holler.